Today we're doing a magical mystery tour courtesy of TomTom Sat Nav. Oh my god, where's it taking us now? Wasn't expecting that. Where on earth am I going here? Seems strange that a road just goes from a single track and then suddenly to something that you can't drive on. Right, the magical mystery tour, with a bit of luck, won't be as magical this time. I'll have a rough idea where I'm going. Towards Keswick, Portinscale, Windlatter, where the crazy mountain bikers go. I think the Newlands Valley. Right, we're on the Windlatter Pass. Might as well have a look at the view. That's Bassenthwaite. And then them big lumps. Skiddaw. We've just come along the side of that. I'm recording this lot in, oh god, pulling off in third gear, not so much as a judder, never tried that before. Right, what was I saying? Completely lost my train of thought there. It might come back to us.
Does somebody know?
Oh yes, I've remembered. I'm recording all of this in 2.7K and 30 frames per second. I think I muttered a little bit about it in the last video.
Somebody know.
I think affect 30 frames per second, how it would affect the battery life. 35, 40 minutes, 60 frames per second, change the battery. 44 minutes. Footage I had was hopefully the 30 frames per second, slower frame rate, fast frame rate, poor resolution. So I've done the majority of the passes by the end of this week. Left turn Clyde. This could be fun. I was expecting to stay on a certain road all the way. No doubt we're going back on farm tracks. Well, it's nicely surfaced. This one. Yeah, left turn. We've gained a bit of feetage. Ordinarily I wouldn't choose to do these roads. I think that's why when the sat nav put its timing down, it was something like 78 miles I think, and 3 hours and 50 minutes or something. Don't be short, please be up, and bollocks on a hill as well.
And I'm on road.
Jogging up and down hills as small as they are isn't going to help keep me cool. Stones in the tyres. Okay. Yeah, these are definitely a first for me, these roads. I remember some of them though. There's a gate. A very picturesque way. Oh, that looks steep down there. Right, do not roll. That's why you need a handbrake. How am I going to do this? Oh, it's not quite as flat here, is it? Okie dokie, next. By the looks of it, we're going to get to do the western side of Buttermere and then hopefully still get to do the Newlands Valley. What a stunning place to be. Okay, back onto the magical mystery tour that I thought was not, but it is. A beautiful Buttermere Valley in the sunshine, and then from there, who knows, the sat nav is keeping it a secret. God, that sheep had road sense, sort of. Oh, they filled that great big hole I fell in yesterday or the day before. Huh. That's efficient. God, that was a big lump of a bum. couldn't actually see it, you just end up knocking your teeth out and damaging all your vertebrae. There's a camouflage hole. Right, let's hope the sat nav is taking us where I think it's taking us, or where I want it to take us. Oh, I think it is. There we go. I've kind of second guessed it. Oh no, this looks nice enough. I was thinking that the other way would be the most picturesque, but this looks pretty impressive. Back down. "20 degrees. Wow. It is 5 to 9 in the morning.